Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Style with Nancy. Today I'm actually going to show you how to make a cute centerpiece for a hot cocoa bar or maybe for your Christmas party. We're going to go ahead and get started. All you're going to need for this project is an empty can and some red tinsel or whatever color, maybe you have silver. I got these at Hobby Lobby for 50% off, and I actually cut it in half so that I can make two centerpieces. A piece of styrofoam and some black glitter paper and a piece of scrapbook paper. In this case, I picked the buffalo check. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. If you'd like to recreate this idea with the marshmallows because you don't have a Hobby Lobby near you, this is a simple way to do it. I use real marshmallows and some skewers, and all you're gonna do is stick a marshmallow in the skewer. I'm using hairspray, but you can use spray adhesive if you have it. All you're gonna do is spray your marshmallow. You're gonna take some white glitter, sprinkle on the marshmallow as much as you like. Then we're gonna take some thin red ribbon and glue it on the skewer. Hold that for a few seconds, and you're gonna twist to simulate a candy cane. You hot glue at the end. And that's it. You got your cute marshmallow sticks ready to go for another centerpiece. And this is what the centerpiece looks like when you're all done. I hope you enjoy this craft. Be sure to leave a comment or subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook for more holiday ideas. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.